Hey, Jimmy with Cuffing Stuff. Man, I got a taste for some chicken flats. Chicken wing flats. But we're not gonna do normal. You know we don't, right? I'm gonna do chicken crack flats. Hang around and see how we do it. So, hang tight. Okay, so here we're going to start with our concoction here. We're going to do a half cup one more of mayonnaise. Now, in the South, we're gonna do Dukes. I'm sorry, that's what we gotta do. It's Dukes. All right, next, we're gonna do grated Parmesan. All right, half a cup of that, about the same amount. Okay. And there we go. About half a cup. Look, if you do too much, who cares? A packet of ranch dressing. All right, here we go. We're gonna do, a packet is about 8 tablespoons. It's 4 ounces. If you have a packet, dump a packet into it. All right. Start mixing this up, breaking any chunks that you have up. Let's get it going. All right, next I'm gonna do, of course, Uncle Steve's, right? This is SPG. This has everything I need in it. To complete it, I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons. There we go. How do I know? Dumped a lot of tablespoons out of that hand. All right, let's mix this up. And there we go. Good and mixed up. All right. That is what we're going to put on our chicken. Okay? Pretty plain. All right. There we go. All right. Next, we're gonna mix up our chicken in our mixture. All right. I've got a small container of chicken flats, and I'm just gonna take and mix this. And I started doing it with my spoon, but you know what? It's hard not to get your hands down in it and just mix it all up. Let's mix this chicken flats all up in our crack mixture. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. That's mixed up good. All right. I'm gonna let this sit in this mixture for just a little bit, and then we'll bring it back. All right. What I've got, this is a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag. I have a tube of Ritz crackers, and I have about half a container of panko breadcrumbs in it. I'm gonna do about half of this at a time. Again, these are all flats. I'm gonna get a good coating on them before I put them on the smoker. About one more, there we go. All right, zipped up. Let's mix them up good. There we go. All right. Let's take them out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's such a good coating on it. That works so well. Always does. All right. Last one in there. All right, let's do the rest of them. Let's get all of these in here. The Uncle Steve shake. Dukes. Oh my goodness, you gotta have some Dukes. I just don't know what people that are from the other part of the country, let me take this off, see in the other brands of mayonnaise, gotta have my Dukes. You know, Dukes came from right up the road here, it ain't far. All right. Get this coated up good. There we go. All right. I'm just gonna dump this out. There we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right. Tray full. It's time to go to the smoker and bring it right back. All right, we've got the smoker up, 375. That's where we want it. We're gonna put all of this on the top rack. All right, we're just gonna lay them out. This is basically just smoking them in the oven. Look at this. It is pretty. Golly. I already know what this is going to be. Good stuff. All right. We're looking at 20 to 30 minutes of smoke and heat. And this chicken is gonna be good to go. All right, and there we go. Let's close it up. I tell you what, let's take a probe and stick it in the chicken so we can kind of keep an eye on it. And about 20, 25 minutes, we'll see. We'll see what temperature it does. I'm going to 165 and I'll bring you back. All right, well, here we go. Inkbird says we've hit the temperature. Oh my goodness, is that golden brown? Let's take them off. Crack chicken wings. They're hot. All right, let's take them over to the table and let them cool off. All right, let's try these. You see what we got, all right? Oh my goodness. All right, well, it's all flats, my favorite. Here we go. My goodness, that's good stuff. Oh my goodness. I can see why it's called cracked flats. Oh my goodness, that's so good. All right, there it is. That is fantastic chicken flats. And you see how easy it was. That took about 45 minutes to do, okay? Couldn't have been any easier. Hey, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you watching and seeing how we do chicken crack flats. So, until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.